The thing is that I travel a lot, and with me travels my skateboard. With me travels my camera, my phone, my microphone, other shooting equipment, and they often tend to run out of charge. So in this video, we're gonna learn how to make a power bank for yourself, all DIY, all built from scratch. Alright, let's begin the build. First of all, gather all the components that you're gonna need. Okay, you're gonna need a lithium-ion battery, 3 of them, XL6009 boost converter, TP4056 charging module, female USB port, a battery holder, other things like wire cutter, wire stripper, multimeter, soldering iron, a deodorant, and cookies. Now you do not necessarily have to buy all these things. For example, you can take out the USB port out of an old charger, and the lithium ion cells can be obtained from a non-working laptop battery. So I made a video on that. I'll link that into the description for more details. Check it out. Let's see how to connect the components together. Everything here is pretty straightforward, nothing fancy. We will be connecting the cells in parallel. That way we'll have a nominal voltage of 3.7 volts and a capacity of roughly around 7800 mAh. Now 3.7 volts isn't enough to charge up a device. So we're gonna use a boost converter to pump up the 3.7 volts to 5 volts. You can do so by calibrating the onboard potentiometer on the converter. Remember, boosting up the voltage will drop the capacity of the battery pack. According to my calculations, after the boosting and other losses, we will be left with an overall capacity of 5000 mAh. Connect the USB port to the output of the converter, and lastly add a charging module directly with the battery pack. For details on the circuit and more pictures, visit the link in the description. I think I'm having a bad luck over my USB ports. They're just not working. So that is how you can make a power bank for yourself.